The Big Barker? The Sealy Lux or Casper Dog Bed? Perhaps the PetFusion Ultimate or the Carhartt Firm Duck? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 dog beds available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best dog beds. The 5th product on this list is the Casper Dog Bed. This dog bed is a haven for your beloved furry friend. It is crafted with the combination of pressure-relieving memory foam and durable support foam, offering exceptional support while ensuring your dog experiences the utmost relaxation. We understand that some dogs love to dig and scratch before settling down for a good snooze. But fret not. This bed is thoughtfully designed with excess material on top, creating the perfect sleeping spot for those pups who enjoy nesting and making their bed just right. Moreover, this dog bed goes beyond providing a comfortable sleep service. It features supportive foam bolsters on the mattress, providing a secure and cozy space for dogs to rest their heads. Your dog will feel safe and snug in this haven of tranquility. Constructed with a microfiber blended material, this bed is built to withstand the test of time. It is highly durable and rip-resistant, ensuring it can handle your dog's playful antics. What's even better is that this bed is suitable for dogs weighing up to 90 pounds. And it comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, catering to dogs of all breeds and sizes. To top it all off, this bed comes with a removable and machine washable cover, making cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to pet hair and dirt with hassle-free maintenance. Give your furry friend the luxurious comfort they deserve with this exceptional dog bed. Its pros are: it features bolstered edges for extra support, its cover is designed to resist scratching and wear, and its memory foam mattress provides pressure relief for your dog while also giving it the support it needs. However, it requires time-consuming assembly with 5 separate components. The Casper Dog Bed is an excellent choice for dog owners who prioritize their pet's comfort and well-being, as it combines pressure-relieving memory foam with the durability for a long-lasting and luxurious sleeping experience. Up next in 4th place is the Carhartt Firm Duck. If you adore your dog, we are confident that you want nothing but the best for them. Whether your dog needs a cozy retreat to unwind after a day of play, or seeks warmth and comfort while accompanying you in the shop, truck, or on the porch, this bed is designed to fulfill their every need. Crafted with a 12-ounce firm hand, 100% ring-spun cotton duck canvas exterior shell, this bed is built to withstand the test of time. It can handle even the most rugged adventures, ensuring enduring durability that can keep up with your active pup. Additionally, it features a plush Sherpa top that adds an extra layer of warmth and padding, providing the ultimate snuggle spot for your dog to rest and relax. But that's not all. Cleaning up after your pet is a breeze with the washable shell and fully removable polyester fiber-filled cushion. Simply toss it in the washing machine, and your dog's bed will be fresh and clean in no time, ready for endless hours of comfort. Give your beloved companion the gift of unparalleled comfort and durability with the Carhartt Dog Bed. It's a true sanctuary they'll cherish day after day. Its pros are: it features an extra-wide YKK zipper that is cleverly concealed under a zipper flap, preventing any accidental snagging or damage. It has 3 different sizes to choose from so you can perfectly accommodate your dog's needs. And it comes in 6 different designs so you can choose whichever you think would match your fur baby's personality. However, its polyfill will inevitably flatten in a few years. The Carhartt Firm Duck is a fantastic choice for dog owners seeking a cozy sleeping surface for active dogs that need a little extra warmth and padding. Still haven't found a dog bed that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Sealy Lux. If you're searching for a Tempur-Pedic dog bed with top-of-the-line temperature control, then get ready to be impressed by the Sealy Lux Dog Bed. This bed is a true game-changer, engineered with quad-element technology that takes temperature regulation to a whole new level. Say goodbye to overheating and discomfort, as this innovative feature dissipates heat away from the sleeping surface, ensuring that your furry friend stays cool and comfortable throughout their rest. But that's not all. The Sealy Lux also boasts Pet Rest Memory Foam, designed to elevate pet comfort to unparalleled heights. It conforms to your pet's body, swiftly adapting to its movements and providing exceptional support. Not only does it enhance their overall comfort, but it also helps increase circulation, promoting their overall well-being. And here's the best part: no more worries about pressure points. With the bio-orthopedic foam in this dog bed, your pet's weight is evenly distributed, ensuring maximum comfort and relaxation. This cutting-edge foam is a game-changer when it comes to providing the ultimate support for your furry companion. But the benefits don't stop there. The Sealy Lux dog bed is equipped with a pro charcoal base that combats odors like no other. You can rest easy knowing that this bed creates a fresh and pleasant sleeping environment for your furry companion. Its innovative foam absorbs and neutralizes odors, keeping the bed smelling fresh and clean for longer periods of time. Treat your furry friend to the ultimate in comfort, support, and temperature regulation with the Sealy Lux dog bed. It's a game changer that will revolutionize their sleep experience. Its pros are: its cover is not only sturdy and soft, but also designed to withstand regular washing. It is thoughtfully designed to relieve pressure from weary dog joints, and it has a rubber base that ensures a draft-free and relaxed beauty sleep for your dog. However, its large size option is not all that big. So if you have anything of retriever size or up, go for the XL. For those with older dogs, the Sealy Lux combines the best of comfort, odor elimination, and temperature control to ensure your pet's happiness. The second product on this list is the PetFusion Ultimate Dog Bed. This orthopedic dog bed takes comfort to a whole new level with its solid 4-inch memory foam base. It's like resting on a cloud. Not only does it provide unparalleled comfort, but it also reduces joint pain and promotes improved health, mobility, and energy. Say goodbye to achy joints and hello to a rejuvenated pup. And that's not all. This bed goes above and beyond by offering a calming sanctuary for dogs who suffer from anxiety. It's a safe haven where they can truly relax and unwind. When it comes to design, PetFusion has got you covered. Its smart design ensures optimal support, comfort, and security for your dog. The water-resistant and tear-resistant cover along with the waterproof dog bed liner work together to protect against accidents and spills. You can have peace of mind knowing that your dog's bed is well protected. Plus, the non-skid bottom keeps the bed in place, even during those excited zoomies. And guess what? This bed seamlessly blends with your home decor, adding a touch of style to any room. But wait, there's more. With the option to buy replacement pet bed covers separately, you can enjoy long-lasting use and versatility. No need to worry about wear and tear. Simply swap out the cover and your dog's bed is as good as new. What really sets this orthopedic dog bed apart is the CertaPure US memory foam it's made of. It meets strict standards for quality and safety, so you can rest assured that your dog is sleeping on the best. So choose the PetFusion Ultimate Dog Bed for an exceptional sleeping experience that your furry friend will love. It's a game changer for dog lovers everywhere. Its pros are: it surpasses the European REACH safety standards, offering peace of mind. Its non-skid bottom is ideal for hardwood or tile floors. And its bolsters come preloaded into the cover, allowing you to simply insert the memory foam base and zip it closed. However, its bolsters might be too firm for some dogs, especially for big ones, so choosing the right size is crucial. The PetFusion Ultimate Dog Bed is an excellent choice for owners seeking the highest level of comfort for their furry companions in need of superior orthopedic support. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the best dog bed is the Big Barker Dog Bed Sofa Edition. Calling all big dog lovers. If you have a furry friend who's a fan of large dog breeds, we have the perfect sleeping solution for you. Introducing the Big Barker, a dog bed specially calibrated to enhance the quality of life for your beloved furry friend. Handcrafted with a proprietary blend of triple-layer orthopedic foam, this dog bed offers unparalleled support and comfort. The built-in bolsters creates a cozy den-like space, providing the perfect spot for dogs who love to cuddle up and feel secure. What truly sets this dog bed apart is the extraordinary 10-year warranty. Yes, you read that right. It's a testament to the bed's exceptional durability and support. Engineered to support the unique pressure curves for large dogs, it won't flatten over time like other beds on the market. And if within a decade your dog's bed doesn't hold up as promised, the manufacturer will send you a brand new one. It's a commitment to your dog's comfort that you can rely on. But that's not all. This dog bed features CertaPure US American-made foam, providing you with peace of mind. It's designed to alleviate painful pressure points, ensuring better naps and better nights for your furry friend. The 100% micro-suede cover adds a touch of elegance to any part of your home. Not only is it soft to the touch, but it also complements your decor effortlessly. Give your big dog the comfort they deserve with the Big Barker Dog Bed Sofa Edition. It's a game changer in the world of dog beds, designed with your pet's well-being in mind. Treat your furry friend to the ultimate sleeping experience and watch them enjoy a life of pure comfort and bliss. Its pros are: its cover is easy to remove and can be washed without shrinking. It's water-resistant, preventing most moisture from penetrating and keeping it fresh and clean. Its supportive orthopedic memory foam mattress comes with a 10-year warranty, and its 3 bolsters provide extra security and comfort for your pet. However, as it is designed for large dogs, puppies, and smaller breeds may find it too firm. The Big Barker Dog Bed Sofa Edition, with its proprietary blend of orthopedic foam, long-lasting durability, and supportive design, is perfect for big dogs who deserve the best sleep to enhance their quality of life. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.